This is the Papercut embedded application, running on the Kyocera Task Alpha 250 Ci. Today I'll be running you through the basics of using Papercut with the Kyocera, including tracking copier use, using copier functions, using the print release queue and Papercut Find Me printing, as well as charging to shared accounts. We start here at the Papercut authentication screen. This screen helps create a secure print environment and restricts unauthorized access to the copier. The Kyocera supports authentication through a username and password combination, identification number, or by using a swipe card. Today we'll be logging in using the swipe card, which can easily be tied to the user's account. If I've forgotten my card at home, I can still log in using the username and password options here. I'll now log in with my card. And here I'm taken into the Papercut application. Here we've configured the device with the print release queue. This can be done via the Papercut admin interface. Here you can see all the jobs which are awaiting release. This also allows Papercut Find Me printing, where a user can print to a global print queue and release their jobs at the MFP they log into. Here, if I select individual jobs, I'll see more information about that document here. I can also print or cancel the job. If I wanted to print the document management tools, I'd press print, and Papercut now shows us that the job has been queued for printing. I also have the option to print all of the queued documents if needed. If I want to use the copy of functions, I'll press the copy of functions button here, and now I'll be presented with the account selection screen. This is user configurable, so it's an optional step, but in this case the user has configured to charge to shared accounts or departments. Here we can see My Personal Account, Economics Department, History Department, and Mathematics Department. The accounts displayed is dependent on your Active Directory membership. I also have the option to search through the accounts by name. This is useful in a large corporate setting if I've got many accounts. Alternatively, I can search for the account by code. This is useful for fast account selection if you have a specified code with a particular department or shared accounts. I'll now go back and select My Personal Account. Papercut now shows us an account confirmation screen, confirming that my access to the device has been approved. If I acknowledge this, I'm now taken into the copier, where I can perform the normal operations such as any copier usage, scanning, or faxing, which will now be tracked by the Papercut application based upon the account you've logged in with. At any time, I can log out of the Papercut application and return to the authentication screen using the hardware buttons here on the dash. And that concludes our brief tour of the Kyocera Task Alpha 250 Ci, running the Papercut MF embedded application. If you're looking for more information about our embedded solutions, look at our website at www.papercutmf.com.